Last month, a 2019 Nissan Rogue rolled into my shop with 91,000 miles. One owner, garage kept, absolutely spotless, and the transmission was completely dead. The repair quote came to $4,800. The entire disaster traced back to a single fluid service that costs less than one set of tires. The owner never knew it existed because everyone told him the fluid was lifetime. So today you get the 16 maintenance items that actually decide whether your Nissan reaches 200,000 miles, counted down from routine to absolutely critical. Number 16. Wiper blades and washer fluid. Milestone number 16 sounds boring, and that is exactly why people ignore it until a rainstorm on the highway. Worn wiper blades do not just streak, they smear a film across the glass at the exact moment you need to see a brake light through heavy spray. Replace your blades once a year or every 6 months if your Nissan lives outside in harsh sun, because heat kills the rubber faster than rain ever will. This is a 2-minute job with no tools, and any parts store will hand you the right size for your Altima, Rogue or Frontier. Keep the washer reservoir full while you are at it, and never pay a service counter to pour blue liquid into a plastic tank. That is your money. In winter, use fluid rated for freezing temperatures, because a frozen washer line on a salted road turns your windshield into frosted glass at 70 miles per hour. And test the spray pattern once in a while. A clogged washer jet takes 10 seconds to clear with a pin, and you will be very glad you did it the first time a truck covers your glass in brown slush. Dealers hate the next 2 minutes. Number 15. Cabin microfilter. Milestone number 15 lives behind your glove box, and Nissan includes it as a standard scheduled item in its own maintenance plans. The cabin microfilter cleans every breath of air that enters the car, and when it clogs, you feel it everywhere. Weak airflow, slow window defogging, a musty smell that never leaves. Dealers charge real labor money for this job, and here is the punchline. On most Nissan models, you open the glove box, release the stops, slide out a cover, and swap the filter with your bare hands in about 3 minutes. Do it once a year, and do it more often if you drive on dusty roads or park under trees that drop debris. A fresh cabin filter is the single cheapest way to make an older Nissan feel newer from the driver's seat, and it protects the blower motor from working overtime against a wall of packed dirt. Your engine breathes through the next one. Number 14. Engine air filter. Milestone number 14 is the engine air filter, and the rule is simple. Inspect it, do not blindly replace it. Pop the airbox clips, pull the filter out, and hold it up to the light. Still clean? Put it back and keep your money. Grey and packed with grit? Swap it. Around every 30,000 miles is the normal checkpoint, but if you drive on dusty, rural or gravel roads, check it far earlier, because a choked filter strangles airflow, dulls performance, and hurts fuel economy on every single trip. This takes 2 minutes with zero tools, and it is one of the most overcharged jobs on any dealership menu. One warning: do not drive with the airbox open or a poorly seated filter, because unfiltered grit heading into a modern Nissan engine does damage you can never undo. Electrical gremlins all start in one place. Number 13. The 12-volt battery. Milestone number 13 is the battery, and in a modern Nissan it causes far stranger problems than a slow crank. A weak 12-volt battery throws random warning messages, confuses the keyless entry, resets screens mid-drive, and lights the dashboard up like a Christmas tree. Owners chase ghost problems for months when the real cause costs a fraction of the diagnostic bills. Once a month, watch how the car starts and check the terminals for white corrosion. Clean terminals mean clean voltage, and clean voltage keeps every computer on the car happy. If your battery is past 4 years old, have it load tested before winter, not after the first freezing morning it strands you in a parking lot. Batteries rarely announce their retirement. They just quit, usually at the worst possible address. And if your driving is mostly short trips, know that the battery never fully recharges on a 5-minute run, so it ages faster than the calendar suggests. A longer highway drive once a week is free medicine for it. 4 rubber patches carry everything you love. Number 12. Tire pressure and the spare milestone. Number 12 costs nothing and pays you back on every mile. Once a month, check all 4 tires when they are cold and set them to the number on the sticker inside the driver's door frame. not the number stamped on the sidewall. That sidewall figure is the maximum the tire can physically hold, not what your Nissan is designed to ride on. Low pressure builds heat, chews up the shoulders, hurts fuel economy, and dulls your steering response. While you are down there, scan each tire for nails, bulges, cracks, and uneven wear, and pay special attention to the inner edges, because inner edge wear is the classic early warning of an alignment problem. Then check the spare, because a flat spare is nothing but dead weight in the trunk on the day you finally need it. If your Nissan carries a repair kit instead of a spare, check that the sealant has not expired and the compressor is actually in the car. 5 minutes a month here protects your braking, your steering, your fuel bill, and your drivetrain all at once. Let me say one thing, and then I will not bring it up again. I have gathered these secrets and much more in a book over at nissansecretsusa.com. If you want it, it is in the comments and on the right side of the screen. That is all. Let us go further with the video. Number 11. Tire rotation. Every 7,500 miles. Milestone number 11 is the cheapest insurance in this entire countdown. Nissan specifically recommends a 7,500-mile tire rotation on models like the Murano, and its maintenance plans are built around a rhythm of every 6 months, or 7,500 miles. The front tires on a front-wheel drive Nissan do the steering, handle most of the braking, and carry the weight of the engine, so they wear far faster than the rears. Rotation spreads that wear across all 4 corners and buys you thousands of extra miles from every set. 2 warnings first. Directional tires only move front to rear on the same side, and staggered sizes may not rotate at all, so check your manual before touching a lug nut. And if you drive an all-wheel drive Rogue, Murano, or Pathfinder, keep sizes, brands, and tread depths closely matched, because mismatched tire circumference puts constant stress on the all-wheel drive system. Something underneath is wearing out right now. Number 10. Suspension, steering, and alignment. Milestone number 10 is the part of the car you never see. Nissan's own maintenance information calls for regular inspection of the steering gear, linkage, axle and suspension components, brake parts, and the front driveshaft boots. These parts wear so slowly that your hands adjust without noticing, and by the time you feel the difference, the tires are already damaged. Every 5,000 miles, listen for clunks over bumps, creaks while turning, and clicking on full steering lock. Feel for vibration, wandering or pulling, and look at those drive shaft boots, because a torn boot spotted today is a cheap rubber part, while the same boot ignored for a year is a complete axle. If your rotations revealed uneven wear, get an alignment. An alignment is cheap insurance. A chewed up set of 4 tires is an expensive apology. Hidden codes are stacking up behind your dash. Number 9. The annual scan and walk around milestone number 9 is the checkup nobody schedules. Once a year, have your Nissan scanned for stored fault codes, because the computer can hold trouble codes in memory without ever turning on a dashboard light. A stored code today is usually a sensor or a loose connector. The same code ignored for a year can become a component, and components cost 10 times what sensors do. Pair the scan with a real walk-around. Test every light on the car. Check under it for fresh drips after a night of parking, because oil, coolant, brake fluid or transmission fluid on your garage floor is the car talking to you. And do this even in a low mileage year, because a Nissan that only does short trips still suffers from a draining battery, corroding brake discs and aging rubber. Low mileage is not zero maintenance. One rubber loop runs almost everything. Number 8. The drive belt milestone. Number 8 is a strip of rubber that runs your charging system, your air conditioning compressor, and more, depending on your engine. Heat cycles are what kill it. Around 100,000 miles, the rubber develops micro cracks and glazing that you can see with a flashlight in about 30 seconds. Have the belt inspected at every oil change once the odometer gets serious, and replace it at the first sign of cracking, because a belt does not fail politely. It snaps, usually far from home, and takes your alternator output with it on the spot. While the belt is off, have the tensioner and pulleys spun by hand. Any roughness or wobble means those bearings are next, and replacing them alongside the belt costs almost nothing extra in labor. Trucks and trailers pay a hidden tax. Number 7. Propeller shaft and severe service milestone. Number 7 is for every four-wheel drive and all-wheel drive Nissan. Nissan's maintenance plans include propeller shaft lubrication on applicable four-wheel drive and all-wheel drive vehicles, and most owners have never heard of it. More important, Nissan's service guidance says that towing, camper use, roof carriers, and rough or muddy roads push certain drivetrain fluids onto a 20,000-mile or 24-month replacement schedule. Read that honestly. If your Frontier tows a boat every summer or your Pathfinder spends weekends on gravel, you are a severe service vehicle, and the standard schedule quietly stopped applying to you. After mud, sand, or road salt, wash the underbody too, because trapped grime holds moisture against bare metal and rusts a truck from below while the paint on top still shines. Gear oil this cheap should be illegal. Number 6. Differential and transfer case. Fluid milestone number 6 hides inside your driveline. The differentials and the transfer case on a four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive Nissan hold small amounts of gear oil that live a violent life of heat, load, and shear. On the severe schedule from the last chapter, that fluid is due every 20,000 miles or 24 months, and the service itself is nothing but a drain plug, a fill plug, and fresh oil. Compare the two invoices. Fresh gear oil costs about as much as a nice dinner. A rebuilt differential or a damaged transfer case costs more than a vacation, and it always fails on a trip, never in your driveway. While the plugs are out, have the technician look at the old fluid. Glitter in the oil is metal, and metal is your only early warning before the noise starts. Sparks fade long before the engine complains. Number 5. Spark plugs. Milestone number 5 comes straight from Nissan's own schedule. On the 2024 Murano, Nissan lists spark plug replacement at 105,000 miles or 84 months. Modern iridium plugs last so long that people forget they exist. And that is the trap. As a plug wears, its gap slowly widens and your ignition coils work harder and harder to jump that gap. Overworked coils fail, failed coils cause misfires, and misfiring cylinders dump raw, unburned fuel into your catalytic converter, which slowly cooks it to death. That is how a set of plugs that costs less than a tank of fuel cascades into coils, oxygen sensors, and a converter bill that can pass $1,000. Replace the plugs on schedule and the chain reaction never starts. If you do the job yourself, keep the torque snug, not gorilla tight, because stripped threads in an aluminum head turn a driveway afternoon into a machine shop invoice. Grinding sounds get expensive within days. Number 4. Brake pads and rotors. Milestone number 4 is the one system where waiting costs double. Every 5,000 miles, look at your pad thickness through the wheel spokes. Thin pads caught early mean a simple pad job. Thin pads ignored mean metal grinding into your rotors, and now you are buying pads, rotors, and possibly a tow. Listen for the early warnings. A faint squeal on light braking. A pulsing pedal on the highway. A pull to one side when you stop hard. Any of those means an inspection this week. Not this season. And remember that light use has its own danger. A Nissan that sits, or a Leaf that leans on regenerative braking, can corrode its brake discs from underuse. Brakes are the one system where you never gamble because every other repair on this list costs money, and this one can cost more than that. Water is attacking your brakes from inside. Number 3. Brake fluid. Every 20,000 miles or 24 months. Milestone number 3 is the fluid almost everyone forgets, and Nissan puts it right in the official schedule. On the 2020 Altima, Nissan calls for brake fluid replacement every 20,000 miles or 24 months, whichever comes first. Most owners never do it once in the life of the car. Here is why that is a mistake. Brake fluid absorbs moisture straight out of the air through the rubber hoses and seals, and water in the fluid does two nasty things. It lowers the boiling point so the pedal can go soft exactly when you are braking hard down a long hill with the family aboard. And it corrodes the system from the inside, including the ABS unit, one of the most expensive hydraulic components on the vehicle. The cruel part is that the pedal can feel completely normal while the fluid is already contaminated. Pedal feel is not the test. Time is the test. A fluid exchange costs about as much as a family dinner. A corroded ABS unit costs more than a vacation. Choose the first invoice. 2 gallons stand between you and disaster. Number 2. Coolant milestone number 2 protects the entire engine. On the 2024 Murano, Nissan schedules the first engine coolant replacement at 105,000 miles or 84 months, then every 75,000 miles or 60 months after that. But that long interval does not mean you ignore the cooling system for 8 years, because coolant does more than move heat. It carries anti-corrosion additives that protect your radiator, water pump, and heater core, and those additives wear out with age. Check the reservoir level once a month with the engine cold and never open a hot system, because pressurized coolant can burn you badly. A Nissan that needs topping up every few weeks is not thirsty. It has a leak, and the source could be a hose, a water pump, a thermostat, a radiator, or a heater core. When the system is finally drained on schedule, use the overlapping labor. Have the hoses squeezed, the clamps checked, the thermostat verified, and the water pump area examined for the dried trails of a slow weep. A suspect hose replaced during a coolant change costs almost nothing. A warped cylinder head after an overheating event on the interstate is a completely different conversation. Everything so far was practice for this. Number 1. CVT fluid. Every 60,000 miles. Milestone number 1 is the service that decides everything, and it is the reason that Rogue from the beginning of this video died at 91,000 miles. If your Nissan has a CVT, a continuously variable transmission, this is the most important paragraph you will hear today. Altima, Sentra, Versa, Rogue, Murano, Kicks, Maxima, Duke, Qashqai, certain Pathfinder generations. A CVT squeezes a steel belt between 2 cone-shaped pulleys under enormous pressure, and in that design the fluid is not just a lubricant. The fluid is the grip. It carries the clamping force, manages the heat, and protects the valve body that controls the entire transmission. When it wears out, the belt slips, microscopic metal enters the system, and the transmission dies from the inside while driving normally on the outside. You feel nothing. Until you feel everything. Nissan's own service guide specifies replacing the fluid at 60,000 miles on CVT-equipped models, unless a dealer inspects the transmission's deterioration data using Nissan Consult diagnostic equipment, and it cuts that interval to 30,000 miles for hybrid models. The newer schedules agree. The 2025 Sentra calls for CVT fluid inspection every 10,000 miles or 12 months, and replacement every 60,000 miles or 72 months, in both standard and severe conditions. So when a service counter tells you that fluid never needs changing, you now know more about their product than they do. 3 rules. Rule 1. Use only genuine Nissan CVT fluid NS3 or a fluid that genuinely meets that exact specification, because CVT fluids are brand-specific chemistry, not interchangeable red liquid, and the wrong bottle destroys the surfaces it was supposed to protect. Rule 2. Do a drain and fill, never a high-pressure machine flush on a high-mileage unit, because forced pressure can push loosened debris straight into the tiny passages of the valve body. Rule 3. Act before the symptoms, because a whine that rises with speed, a shudder pulling away, revs that flare while the car hesitates, delayed engagement, a burning smell or an overheating warning all mean the damage has already started. That Rogue came in with a shudder the owner had ignored for months. The fluid was black, the filter was packed with friction material, and the valve body was scored beyond saving. The quote was $4,800. The fluid service that would have prevented all of it costs a couple $100 at an honest independent shop. A few hundred on schedule, or several thousand all at once. Your Nissan will never send a reminder for this one. The 60,000 mile mark on your odometer is the reminder, and now you have all 16. Keep the appointments, and your Nissan will keep its promises.